trying not to blind anybody, but I want to see his little face. You can't really see him. There he is. Hi there, bright one. Your little eyes opening too? I think they are. Look at that face. You're so sweet. Oh, you're so sweet, but you need to get something to eat. You was eating something, and then you got pushed away by the big fatty. You better go find some booby. Well, all right, that's what we got happening in here. And then Zuri, she's a good mama. Yes, she is. She's the best mama ever. All right, I'm going to leave them alone so they can eat. But that's the kitties. That's my kitties.